Hi guys, today I'm going to create another glamorous look with smoky eyes and nude lips. So let's start. We're going to start with some skin prep and then I'm going to apply some moisturizer on the face. Next, I'm going to apply the Conatural Cosmetics Concealer in the shade number 4 medium for the coverage of dark circles and dark spots. Then I'm going to blend it with a concealer brush and a beauty blender. Now I'm going to apply some foundation with a brush and I'm going to blend it evenly and set it with the damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to apply the Conatural Cosmetics Full Coverage Concealer in the shade number 1 Fair to highlight and enhance the features. Now I'm going to start the eye makeup and I'm going to apply a rusty orange eyeshadow on the crease line to create a little depth, and then I'm going to smooth it and blend it evenly. Now I'm going to apply some black eyeshadow on the eyelid and I'll smudge it with a flat brush. Next, we're going to add a pearl white shade on the inner corner of the eye and underneath the eyebrows. I'm going to tighten the waterline with a black eye pencil and I'll smudge it with a black eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to use some mascara to lift the lashes. And then I'm going to contour the face. After contouring, I'm going to apply some blush and highlighter. Now I'm going to apply some brown lip pencil and I'm going to create a good shape of the lips. Next, I'm going to apply the Conatural Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nutty Nude. And here's the complete glamorous look. I hope you like it.